She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nichole if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how I got this glowy no makeup look. This is what I'm usually wearing for summer right now. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on that bell so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm going to first start off with a moisturizer. This is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I've used this before, but I actually got this with my points. And I really like to use it in the morning, just to wake up and refresh. So I take just a tiny bit and pat it in my skin. Not a lot because I'm using a tinted moisturizer. I don't want to be too moist. And next I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This is in the shade Natural Radiance. It'll match my self-tan that I have going on right now. And I'm just going to take a little bit in my hand. Like that for now. When you pat it, it's just like, I feel like it sets better.
There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way.
For eyebrows, I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This is the Instant Brow Lift Pencil. And it's in the shade Deep Brown. I love this. It's like really cheap and way better than any other brow product I've used, even like the super expensive ones. This one just like gives me more of a precise definition, and it looks more natural in my opinion.
Everyone's lining up to see you. There must be something about the features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I'm going to take my e.l.f. brow gel in Deep Brown and go over my eyebrows. Love this stuff as well. It really holds them up. And these brow products are really affordable and they last me a really long time. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the e.l.f. concealer. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer and it's really like lightweight. But yeah, I'm going to go in just a little bit because this stuff spreads like just a little bit, goes a long way. I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender and blend that in.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double.
For my nose, I'm going to use this blender brush. I don't usually like to use my sponge for the nose because it's just hard to get in there. Yeah, I'm just going to blend all this in. Okay. I'm going to set everywhere that I concealed with this little angled brush. I don't know. I don't like too much powder because it just kind of gets, you know, build up and feels like you're wearing a mask. Even though you're not wearing that much makeup, it can still like make a huge difference in how you feel. The e.l.f. finishing powder, it's amazing. I've been using this for years. Blush before I do my bronzer. I'm gonna take this blush. It's by Sugar Rush. This is like the Tarte spin-off brand and it's in the shade Ocean Girl. It's a cream blush and I'm obsessed. It gives kind of like that burnt, sunburnt kind of look. And then a little bit on the nose. So for my bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula. This is the Butter Bronzer. This is like the little mini one. You can get it for like $10. Before I'm gonna go into that, I'm gonna use this Note product. My aunt gave it to me. I think you can get it at the drugstore. I'm not sure. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. But it's this like bronze liquid. It's called a liquid foundation or a sun glow foundation. And I'm going to take a little bit in my finger, just like that. And I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones. Like a little glow.
She's a
Look how nice that looks.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down.
That's all I'm gonna do for that. And then I'm gonna put my bronzer on top of it, but just a little bit. I don't like to go too crazy, just so I don't like mask the glow we added.
And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the shadow smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
And contour just a little bit. Just like that. Under the chin. I'm actually going to go in with this Lila B. I believe you can get this at Sephora now. This is the B Sunkissed Bronze Beauty. I'm going to go in with this lighter shade first as a base, and then go in with this darker one.
Once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
So I actually don't like to add eyeshadow at all. I mostly just use bronzer just to give a little bit of color to my eye. Yeah, as you can see, it's just a little bit of a little something something. This is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. Kind of fitting for the tutorial since we're stuck at home, but we want to be bronzy and beachy. By the way, this is the shade Black Brown.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah,
I'm gonna take my final product. This is the Marc Jacobs Lip Oil. This is like a coconut oil kind of lip gloss type of thing. It's my absolute holy grail. I haven't used anything besides this for a while now. It's so nice and creamy. Doesn't feel like a lip gloss and is really hydrating, kind of like a lip balm. And it looks like this. And the packaging is so cute. Like, just screams summer. It's like 30 bucks, but trust me, it's worth it. I lied. Lastly, I'm going to top it off with this Face and Body Hydrating Mist by Unfiltered Raw Sugar. This is the pineapple mango flavor. I got this from Target. It smells like paradise. That is all for my face. I'm going to apply one more product. This is the Rio Sunset by Sol de Janeiro. I love this stuff. So nice. There's no SPF in it, so if you're going to put this on, make sure to have a sunscreen on underneath. And yeah, you get like a really nice glow going on. I love the glow it gives off. It's so summery and bronzy. So this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed it and you got some good makeup tricks and tips out of this and maybe some new products you want to try out. I also wanted to mention that my top is from REMI. It's super cute. I love it and it's really versatile. You can style it any way you want. And my necklace is from Princess Polly. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below and follow me on my Instagram. It'll be at the end of the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
She's a Mona Lisa.